Hello students, this is A3 Education, Class 10 CBSE Chapter 3, a pair of linear equation in two variable, exercise 3.2, second sum. Here they have given two equation. From that equation we need to solve and find x and y values. X and y values, so that we can substitute this in equation and find the value of m. It is very easy. So we will proceed as that. Okay. First, the equation 1 they are given 2x plus 3y equal to 11. Okay, this will be the equation number 1. Then the second equation given 2x minus 4y minus 24. Okay, this will be the equation number 2. Here we see that there is a 2 is a common, therefore we will divide by 2. X minus 2y equal to minus 12. Okay, this is the be a third equation. We will not be considering second equation anymore. We will be considering 1 and 3. Therefore, from third equation we get the values minus 12 minus 2y. Okay. Substitute x in 1. 2 into minus 12 minus 2y plus 3y equal to 11. Minus 24 minus 4y plus 3y equal to 11, which is y. 11 plus 24 minus 24 come this side plus 24, y is equal to 35. Here we got minus 2y, therefore coming this to this side it becomes plus 2y, therefore here also plus 7, therefore 7y is equal to 35, hence the value of single y is equal to 35 by 7, therefore y equal to 5. Okay, the plus and minus sign will be very important for each step, so don't take it any mistake. Therefore, substitute y in equation number, any equation as your wish. For your wish, I will take first equation. Okay. First equation 2x plus 3y, y means 5, this is equal to 11. 2x plus 15 equal to 11. Therefore, we get 2x is equal to 11 minus 15, which is minus 4 divided by 2, which is minus 2. Okay, don't be afraid of getting any negative values. There may be any values as they can. Therefore, the solution is x is equal to minus 2 and y equal to 5. Okay, we got both the values for x and y. Next, here we need to find the value of m, for which the equation is given to find what m. Given equation y equal to mx plus 3. Therefore, we know x is equal to minus 2, y equal to 5. X equal to minus 2. Okay. Therefore, substituting we get 5 equal to m into minus 2 plus 3. Therefore, plus 3 coming this side, minus 3 minus 2m. Therefore, 2 is equal to minus 2m. m is equal to 2 minus 2 by 2. Okay, cancelling 1. m is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the value of m is minus 1. Okay, thank you. It is very important and very easy question. Like this we can modify and give creative questions. For creative questions, follow A3 Education. Thank you.